can't be fucked with, no. Ho, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yo, what that breeze, bro? Huh. Feel like a long time I'm not going inside. But anyways guys, I know you click on this video because you see that nails that I was attempting to do. Yes. And guys, to be honest, I think I didn't did well because the brush that I use, like, it just gets stick up for reasons I don't know. But anyways guys, but it end up on cut it short, so now I'm gonna play a clip on me when they cut short, and it just cut short, and it could have gone with itself than when it did tall. But yeah, so hope you guys like the video. Comment down below and let me know if you also tried this at home and what was the result for you, because I was kind of shocked. I'm saying it's bad, but maybe you guys won't say that, right? You know? Yes. And if you're here and you don't subscribe, just hit that subscribe button and subscribe. What makes sense today you're watching me and you don't subscribe? Like, that makes sense? Yeah, my Facebook look a bit swell-ish because me just been sleeping all day today. And remember, this clip is days before me actually do it, and me still have it on and thing. Yeah, correct, kind of the one I was. Yeah, continue watching the video guys, and remember to like it. Yeah, bye now. Bye guys. So right now guys, I'm just buffing down my nails. Remember, I'm not a professional, so I'm just buffing, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Why me act like I can't talk? So yeah, and I actually went ahead and kind of like speed up this video so when I get bored and say yada 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 all of that. So yeah, just watch me buff that nail down, baby. Just watch me buff. So guys, now I'm just applying the nails to my finger. I actually went off camera and applied some of the nails to my fingers. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Some of the nails was kind of lame because it's my first time, but I'll get good at this one day, I promise. Okay, so this is it. My nails ain't cute, bro. They ain't cute. So maybe you really want to cut them. So guys, I went ahead and buffed down my nails and all that. I clipped it, I think. Yeah, I clipped it, but at that moment I could not find my nail clip, and I didn't have a nail clipper. Is that what it's called? I don't remember. But yeah, but later down in the video I found a nail clip and I kind of clip it down a little bit because I didn't like it because it was too long. But yeah, continue watching to see the results, period. Now it is time to apply my acrylic on my finger. Did I say the word good? Acrylic. One word, say again, Peter. Okay. Say it. Say it now.
Acrylic, guys.
Yeah, that thing. I'm just applying and all that. Just Guys, I didn't like this brush because it get thick up after a while. I don't know what one like. Remember, I'm not a professional, okay? So I know I must say, Lord God, I wish I do, but guys, please forgive me.